how to create two YouTube channels with the same email step-by-step tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about creating two YouTube channels with the same email in the most easiest step-by-step method. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your YouTube, you're going to click on this channel insights over here, and you're going to go over to your settings. Once you go over to your settings, you're going to come here where it says create new channel. Okay. So you're going to click on create new channel. And what this will do is it will use the same email. Okay. So this is the same email that I have been using for my previous channel. So let's say I'm going to add a channel name. Okay. I'm just going to name it that. Okay. And once you do that, you're going to click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to walk you through the steps of the creation of a YouTube channel. And that is how, yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how simple and easy it is to create a YouTube channel off of the same email. Now, if I click over here, okay, and we see the Google account, you can see that they both are on the same Google account. So that's my Gmail, and they're both on the same account, and I can switch between these as easily and as simply as I want. So that is how you're going to create two YouTube channels with the same email. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.